So this time we have here a Opel or Vauxhall Corsa. It's a Corsa D from 2008, and this one the owner complained about the display, the radio display, so he changed it to a new one. And when he changed it, the display started displaying display safe. So the old one used to drain the battery because it wouldn't turn off. So I have the old one, and also this one. This one is not the original one anymore. It's the one that the owner of the car bought and fitted it. So in order to do this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the display, open the original one, open this one, swap the EPROMs, the 93C56 EPROM, and we'll go from there. So as you can see, this is the plug you have to unplug. It's just press the little tab and pull the handle there, and let's open it. So once you have it, you have both units, you want to identify which is which. So I'm going to write on the board the original one and the new one. So this is the EPROM you are going to be swapping, or if you rather to program it, you can as well. So it's a 93C56, and don't forget where that little hole is. That means it's the pin one, as always. I'm going to be marking it on the board as well with my black marker, so that I don't forget where the number one pin is. So this is the EPROM here. I took it from there and already replaced and soldered in the new unit. So I've just closed it. So let's now go to the car, plug it in, see if it doesn't display safe anymore, and also if when you turn the ignition off, if it will turn off, because that was the main problem original. So let's try it. So we'll turn the ignition on. Okay. It's displaying normal. Now let's turn the radio. As you can see, it shows the radio. So after a few seconds, when you turn the radio on this display, the new display, before it was the EPROM was swapped. After a few seconds after you turn the radio, the display would display safe. So at this point, I already put the cover or the trim back on. I'm going to be turning the car on now. Let's see how it goes. So the car is running. The radio is working fine. No display safe displayed on the unit there. Everything is working. Now the last test I want to do, I want to turn the car off, and as soon as you remove the key, the display should go off within 3 to 4 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to remove the key. There it goes. So yeah guys, thanks for watching.